Hello everyone, thanks for watching. We're going to make Pico de gallo salsa today. This is going to be a very basic, simple recipe that goes great with many foods, especially breakfast dishes like scrambled eggs, great on barbecued meats, as a dip, use it on quesadillas. It's up to you. This is great, this is simple, you can do a lot of things with it, so let's get the ingredients together and let's get started. After you've washed all your vegetables, you're going to start by dicing up the tomatoes. I'm really not an expert at cutting. I have to kind of take it slow because I am kind of been prone to accidents in the past, so next, we start chopping the green onion. Next, we're going to take a jalapeno. And like I said, this one you can make it spicy by leaving the seeds in there and the veins, but in our case here, our home, we remove the seeds and the veins. Like I said, if you want it spicy, leave the seeds in there and the vein. Now we're going to chop up the cilantro, about 4 tablespoons. Once again, this could be adjusted to any way you want. You could use more, you could use less of any of these ingredients. You make it how it works best for you. Note to self. Turn off the cuckoo clock when I'm doing this. And we're going to squeeze in the juice from 1 lime. Toss it up. This smells so good right now. I think salt will work, regular salt will work better. I meant to use regular salt. I started using sea salt, but now, final test. Thumbs up if I do say so myself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Have a good day.